Hi everyone, Attorney Chris Sullivan, CLS Law Group. Great to see you again. Today I want to talk about some very unfortunate types of cases, and those are wrongful death cases. As you may have figured out, those are cases where the negligence or recklessness of another party has led to the death of another person, and we represent either that person's estate or the family of that person. They're not all that dissimilar from your standard personal injury case, except by statute they're called wrongful death cases. Who can recover in those cases? That's generally going to be the parents or the child of the deceased, or the spouse, the husband or wife, or the representative of that person's estate. Due to the severity of these cases and the importance to the family, you need an experienced lawyer that's going to go right to work in securing the scene, making sure we know exactly where the evidence is and that it's secure and where it's going. Somebody who immediately is on the phone with the insurance companies, any interested parties, the police, witnesses, somebody that is really knowledgeable in these types of cases and knows how to control the pace of the investigation and the flow of information. Generally, because we're experienced in handling these cases, we know how to go right to work in hiring the right accident reconstructionists that are going to tell us exactly what happened, right? This person is deceased. They can't speak for themselves. We need an expert to go in and tell us play by play what happened. I also find that a lot of times the family and the friends of the victim are very appreciative of being able to see these reports. We also bring in investigators very quickly that can tell us all about our defendants and any other background or asset information we need to know so that we can determine if our defendants are viable and to what extent we're going to be able to recover for the family in this case. Thereafter, we go to work in aggressively pursuing compensation for the family. There may also be a criminal case pending as well that we'll keep apprised of and we can actually file an appearance on. Obviously, we're handling the civil side, which is the money side, but both very important. Representing the family and the estate of someone who has been killed in a tragic accident is truly one of the greatest privileges we have as an attorney. Therefore, at CLS Law Group, we're very passionate about getting to know everybody involved in the case, and certainly the family. And oddly enough, I want to know how this person lived and where they lived and where they worked, and I want to know all about them on a personal level so that I can present this case in a way that is respectful to them and in a way that they would have wanted. So if a family member has unfortunately been killed in a tragic accident and you need an experienced wrongful death attorney, do not hesitate to contact CLS Law Group today. Remember, there's no way to undo what's occurred, but we can absolutely win the next round. I wish you well.